So I've been making these composting toilets for our camping weekend we're going to have. And I've made 4 and it's been a lot of hard work. Now I've made the doors, and here's the doors. I haven't got the hinges yet, but come on Amazon. And but I need to make a latch for the door, and I don't want to buy a metal one like what you buy from Amazon or wherever, because every time I buy the metal ones, the black ones you normally put on a gate, they don't last very long. The weld on them always tends to snap off after a few weeks or months, and then I find myself repairing it, and there's not one I can buy that's such good quality and I can buy it and fit it and it will last a lifetime. So I'm going to make one to go on the door, and I'm going to make it from wood, and so I'm going to show you how to make one, and then we're going to fit it. So I'm going to drill a hole through here now. I'm going to put 2 holes using this auger bit that I've got. So, 1. Now that hole is, I'm going to put this one on the back. So this one's at the front, this one on the back, but I'm not going to put it the same way. I'm going to put it sideways like this. So it'll be there, and it'll slide in and out. And there's a reason why I've done it sideways, so that I can cut it within that line there and you won't see it. I'm going to whack this in here now and slide. Fits in, but not enough. Let's have a look at this just to check it. There it is. It wants to go over, so I'm going to drill another hole on the end. Let's see if it fits in there. Goes in, it's a bit tight. It's a bit tight, so I'm going to make it a bit bigger. I'm going to use my reciprocating saw. Okay, there we go, nice and loose. That's exactly how I want it. So, I need to fix that onto there. So, I'm going to mark it here so I can see where it is. Pull that one back in, cut it back. Mark it onto here, and I know that's where it's going to go. So it's going to go on there like that. So I'm going to drill a couple of holes in here. And for this, I'm using plasterboard screws, these black ones. Now they don't rust and they're super sharp. They will cut into any material, even metal sometimes. Okay. Now just before I screw that on, I want to make sure that I have got it in the right place. So I'm just going to check it one more time. If I get it right, brilliant. But if you do get it wrong, then not so great. So I've got it in there. I want to measure it from this line. Oh, 7mm. So if we take it back over to here, if I just measure on there 7mm. Then I'm going to put that on here, onto the line. I know it's going to work. So, nice and tight on the line. Right, I'll just slapping this one off again. Pop that in the hole. Lovely. So, stick this one back on.